Hi, my name is Kevin Kessler. I work at Holley MSD. I've been there for about 9 years. And this is a 69 Camaro. It's got a 327 in it. It's got a Muncie 4-speed. And we've got Mickey Thompson valve covers on it, the atomic fuel injection system, spark plug wires, coils, MSD 8222 with the high vibration coil. So yeah, I've got the MSD 6AL box, and it came off the line. It's the old retro style, and it's actually got a serial number on here. It's 0069, so that's one of the benefits of actually working at the factory. I got it in high school. I always wanted an old car, and so we were looking around, and there's a racer, and he actually had the frame, and he had a big motor in it. He wouldn't sell it, and I kept going back. This is before cell phones, so I finally wore him down, and he sold me the frame, and I said, hey, whenever you get a chance, sell me that motor, and he would never sell me the motor. So me and a bunch of buddies, we just got together and we built a 383 stroker, and we put a Borg 1R25 5-speed in it, and we used to run the heck out of it at real high speeds at the high end, and we burned that up, and then we decided to go with just a regular old 327 and a Muncie 4-speed. So that's kind of how it worked out, and I've kept it, garage kept it since high school. So I kept going back over there, and one day he moved and I never got the motor, so I'm still kicking myself. But if you're out there and you want to sell me that motor, I'm ready for it.